Today I'm gonna be show you how to download WWE 2K17 in PSP. And first I'm gonna be PSP Gold में gonna be go to Jeta Achiever download option में I'm gonna be like 6 parts in link in description. And I want to first part में gonna be PSP 2K17 fix rare, and you want to first one go and click first one, extract. Here you want to extract, and if you extract you're going to be new folder, going to click the folder option, and you go to WWE 2K17 compressed by Ender King, and that will 200 MB convert as 1.21 GB, and extract that file, and extract this file WWE 2K17 PSP by falconsarrow.iso. You go back and PSP save data going to be extract, and save data and going to be extract to device memory PSP folder, and save data में click that icon pick it, and going to device memory going to be downloads option. Here is your link 7 parts of WW2K17 Falcon's Arrow that contains large APK. Now see that 1.99 GB, and go to PPSS PP Gold, PPSS Gold and WWE 2K17 make icon click that. Let's see, we go at WWE 2K17 on PSP mobile folder में click that. It's a normal match, one-on-one normal match. Many superstar on unlock. Go back. Brock Lesnar. No. And that is our game. I'm gonna be YouTube channel, gonna be link in description. Select arena. Raw. Let's see, we go 2K17 on mobile. 2K17. Now we're going to be 2K17. Yeah, it's 2K17 on mobile. Let's we go. It's gonna be enjoy 2K17 on mobile, and you want the first one gonna be extract completed. First part gonna be extract here, and the password is compressed by Android King. Compressed by is gonna be Android King. Let's see go. If you guys please subscribe my channel.